This is the Roku platform where you can buy and sell any cryptocurrency and make your cool profits. So let me show you how it works. Once you register the Roku account through the link I forwarded to you, so you will see it like this, and you make sure you complete your profile setting under it. So as a new member, all this place we have 0 here. So to buy anything on Roku platform, the first thing you need to do is deposit here. So when you click on deposit, let me click it so you can see it what I'm trying to say. And click on deposit, or you can just click on proceed. Don't put amount yet, put proceed, then pick bank transfer. Click on bank transfer. You can see the loading. These are account number. It is personal to me. All this account number, I will just copy it, then I transfer it to it. Any amount I transfer to this account number, I will see it at my overview Naira page here. You click on overview. So any amount I transfer to that account number, I'll see it here. So I've this one. This someone account I'm helping to manage. So after you have transferred it, then the next is to select coin you want to buy. You look for coin that you know that this coin will be profitable. How will you know the coin that will be profitable? Just come down here, you see the price of coin. Present, you can see 1 BTC is around 70 million plus. You can see the increase to the 24 hours changes. This is it. Then you look for other coin, like the coin that is reigning presently is, as I'm doing this video, is Dogecoin. This is it. This coin yesterday, you can't believe, is around 15 Naira. So that's Dogecoin. So I bought this Doge you are seeing here. Where is it? This is it up for the head. The Doge you are seeing here, which is 226 Doge, which is equivalent to 5,409 Naira. I bought it yesterday when it was 15 Naira. I bought it then. That I used like 3,000 to bought it. So today it have increased to this certain amount. You see, I've made the profit and I can sell it back to cash out my money. So that is how it work on Roku. So if I want to sell that amount, I will just click here, buy and sell. So I will click on it. I'm not buying, I want to sell, instant sell. I'll click on instant sell. So it will bring for me, select the coin I want to sell. Then see Doge. I'll select Doge, this Doge. I'll select it, then put the amount I want to sell. I can either place the amount in Naira or in that Doge currency. Let me put it in Naira. So I'll just put the amount and proceed to sell and perform other operation. So after you sell it, then the next thing, you want to withdraw your money to your Naira local account, now. So just click on withdraw here, and you click on withdraw. You will have already connect your bank account, and if you have not done so before, you just click on withdraw to bank account. It will bring for you to connect your bank account. So you place the amount you want to withdraw, proceed with withdrawal. So you see I've already connected my own bank account. So then you withdraw the fund into the bank account. If you are using the web for this platform, once you submit withdrawal, and verification code will be sent to your email, which you need to approve or verify the withdrawal. And if you are using the app of this platform, you need to insert your approved pin which you have set for the platform. So this is how it works on Roku. This is how you make your cool cash. It's so easy, no fraudulent. You are the CEO of your money. You are there is no minimum withdrawal or time of withdrawal. You can perform any task at any time, at any day, at anywhere. Thank you. I remain your humble man, the creative Oluwaseun Sandmine. Love you all.